Hi, welcome to SIMS. Today's sum. The cost of an article was 15,500 rupees and 450 were spent on his repairs. If it is sold for it a profit of 15%, find the selling price of the article. Find the selling price of the article. So let's see the solution given them. Here given, what are given? Cost of the article, cost of an article and spent on the repairs price. So these two prices first you will add, then that is cost price. Given that the cost price of an article is equal to 15,500 and spent on repairs is 450 rupees. Actual cost price is 15,500 plus 450 rupees, then you will 15,950 rupees. So profit on 15%. So selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. So cost price is 15,950 plus profit on cost price. So 15,950 into 15 by 100. 0 will be cancels. And 5 cancels 3 times, 2 times. 2 again 2 cancels in 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 2 9s are 18 and 2 7s are 14 point, 2 5s are 10. So 15,950 plus 797.5 into 3 is 2,395.5. So these two values you will add, then selling price. Selling price is equal to 18,342.5. This is the solution. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.